you need it, just come see me. I'll grab you a chocolate bar or something out of the office.
Alright, okay. You want to sit for a minute?
Have a little rest for a minute, mate. If you stay with these guys here on the respawn, they'll keep an eye on you. Yeah?
I was the same as you on my first
want
day
that?
as well.
He's been before, but
He's been a lot of times, he's just obviously not looking after himself.
you've got to make
Or
sure
someone ain't looking after him.
I was not a bacon roll this morning, bacon and egg
Yeah, I'm
roll.
going to sort him out when we get back in.
Yeah, what?
Yeah. You know, flat. Let me down, son. No.
No.
Okay. You alright for a minute?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're not allowed to
rear,
decide
just in
if
case
you want to
anyone
play or
sneaks
not,
up.
yeah?
Yeah, stay respawn, then we know where you are then. Well, your dad does anyway.
Keep having a bit of drink every now and again. You get some sugar inside there.
Okay, brilliant, thanks.
And it take that powerful. Oh yeah.
Down there.
There we go. You alright, chap? Get your second wind, or third wind, or fourth wind, or natural gas wind.
Right?
Yep.
I mean, the guy that was sitting on the heli the whole time was not taking his hit. I magged up the whole fucking cunt.
Was it by any chance wearing the bloody BB, black BB hat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's another guy, it's a rental, big fella.
Tall guy, looks like Jesus with a bit of a black BB hat. Yeah. Yeah, if you know for that.